Hello and welcome to this video. I am going to introduce you to Cumulus, a web application to interact with MonetDB. Cumulus gives direct access to the underlying database kernel, allowing us to inspect and manage the servers running on a single host. In addition, it provides a lean variant of mClient that enables SQL interaction with the underlying databases. Let us start Cumulus to control your database farm. Before you use Cumulus for the first time, you need to activate it. To achieve that, you have to log in as an administrator. Let's fill in the details of the form and click Login. This brings you to a dashboard, an overview of all databases in the farm. Since I started fresh, it is empty. Now, I am going to create a database. To do that, I will click the New Database button right here. Each database is identified by a name and the credentials of the database administrator. The default username cannot be changed. I am going to fill in the necessary details and click the Create button. Going back to our database dashboard, we have a new entry with some statistics. Each server can be manipulated with the action buttons on the right. For a database server that is not running, as in our case, we can call Start, lock for maintenance, or completely remove the database. The connection column provides the endpoint to access the server, using for instance a JDBC connection. As the administrator of Cumulus, you can do other things as well. In particular, the system log contains useful diagnostics on the database servers running. It shows the 100 most recent messages of the MonetDB daemon. You can also open a terminal window emulator for more direct interaction with the system. For instance, I can execute ls-l. The remote shell feature should be accessed sparingly. Finally, you can access the diagnostics page. From there, you can see several details regarding the MonetDB kernel, as well as information regarding your underlying storage. However, the most interesting feature of Cumulus is that you can execute your queries online. To do that, you need to log in as a DBA to a particular database. Let's see the process. First, click on the top right corner and log out from the system. Now, in the form, select the DBA option. I am going to fill the details of the database that we created a moment ago, and then I will log in. Immediately, you are redirected to the mClient console. In this form, you can type your queries and retrieve the results. Let's try it. The query result is rendered as expected. There are many options to sort the columns and to perform client-based filtering on the results. The last feature that I want to show you is the backup and restore functionality, which can be performed only by a DBA. In both cases, to perform the task, we identify the location either of the host, or of an Amazon S3 bucket, or of a Microsoft Azure Blob storage. Thank you for watching this video. You are now ready to start using Cumulus and give a boost to your analytics workflow. Visit our website for more information and support.